Day in the life of someone growing a social media agency.
My name is Chris, aka Gold Chris. I've been making videos for a very long time, and over the last 2 years, I've made a couple YouTube videos, but I put YouTube on the back burner to focus on short form, and I know I'm the most underrated vlogger on the internet. I feel like I perfected the short form vlog, but now I want to perfect long form content, so I'm gonna start making daily vlogs. I was waiting for the perfect moment, but honestly, fuck that. We're starting now. So to bring you guys up to date, I'm 23 years old, turned 24 in 2 days. I live in Orlando, Florida, and like the video title suggests, I run a social media agency. I've been doing this for a little over a year. I graduated from Florida State University and started working a corporate job. I was doing liquor sales. It was okay. I ended up quitting to do this full time. I figured it out. It was more of a freelance thing at first, but now it's become a full-fledged agency. I have 3 employees. It's beginning of the year. I'm trying to grow this thing even further. My goal with these vlogs is to show the behind the scenes, everything, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And trust me, there's a lot of ugly and a lot of stress, a lot of stress. But I have really cool clients. I shoot UFC fighters. I film a lot of restaurants, food trucks, and a variety of different businesses. And all the goals in the company revolve around one thing and one thing only, and that is me moving to New York September of this year. Everything revolves around moving in September. Today's January 8th. We have a lot of goals to hit, a lot of fires to put out just even this week. In my business, the last couple of weeks have been extremely stressful. I've been working nonstop. I've been on a work bender the last 3 weeks, grinding, just setting up a lot of systems. This is what I mean, just random shit just pops up during the day. And here we go, number 1 for the day. Long story short, we gotta now make a video. Been super busy, a lot of system implementation over the last couple weeks. So today, this was the first week of the month. The first week of the month, I tend to film a lot. Been going to all our clients, filming content for the month. On today's agenda, we are also going to film some clients. We got a couple hours to kill before we go to see the first client. We're actually seeing them a little later than usual. For the time being, I now need to edit, so we need to lock in.
Yeah. Okay, because one thing is like the skits.
Let's start with schedule, because again, we could like really do.
Okay, that works.
Like, you know, mix it up.
I'll add that as well.
What we can make happen here. Yep, take care.
Yep.
Took a midday break to go buy a camera off Facebook.
Alright, back to editing.
And then,
Alright, we are now heading towards Koila. We gotta go pick up Caleb. Caleb is my one of my best friends. Also works with me and is one of our photographers slash videographers slash helps me with shoots. We're gonna go pick him up and do this thing. You got jokes, Caleb? No, I had a feeling this was gonna happen.
Damn, literally almost the same.
Dude.
so today first we went to Koila Barbecue. These guys are one of my newest clients. They're a Pakistani restaurant.
Dying on that shit.
Before getting there, we planned out a couple videos to shoot, but we film everything, and we actually choose to film everything on an iPhone. Videos just perform better. If you know how to properly use an iPhone, the iPhone camera is fantastic. They finished making the food, and then we started to film the specific videos.
But hey, y'all. Look, they're twinning. Aren't you cute? Right. I want to take a picture of them.
We finished up at Koila Barbecue, and then we headed over to the Hookah Factory, the newest account I started handling. So this business is the same owner as Koila and Shufi, but they just opened up this hookah lounge, so we went, did the same thing, got some more content, and that was pretty much my day. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new. If you got any questions about what I do, or want to see something specific, please let me know. I'm trying to make these consistently. September's gonna be here before you know it. We have goals to hit, so subscribe for the journey. Catch you in the next vlog.